Hello everyone, now I'm going to show you how to build uh, a ship with vector thrusters OS. We'll learn all the basics and what you can do with the script. So let me explain what we can do. In this case we are going to build a small grid, so we need 2 batteries, a cockpit. I prefer putting 2 batteries because the output of the thrusters and the rotors are so high sometimes that I recommend this. Finally, we will place the gyroscope and that's it. We have the structure of the ship, now we have to find the center of the mass. And to do that, we have to go to our inventory or control panel and go to info tab and check so shows center of mass like this. Place the rotors as near as possible to this vector that is showing here like this. If we are going to use these ships for environments with gravity, so don't put more thrusters here if you already have it here. You can do either back and forward, left and right, but not up and down, or you can do up and down, left and right, but not forward and backward. It simply won't work, and I will find a fix later. So, well, I'm gonna to place the thrusters, but first I'm gonna to disable this. I'm going to place the thrusters, and finally the programmable block right here. We access it, we find the edit button. In this case mine is up here, but you will find it right here. Then go to browse scripts, search my script, click OK, and that's it. We can now hop on, go to our toolbar config, select the landing gear and switch lock, and we can now go around like this. With the landing gear we can lift up things like this. You can see here I'm lifting. I'm going to put it to daytime, but if we park in a static grid or a grid that is parked already, we will simply it will simply turn off everything and put everything on standby. But this park is not the proper parking mode. If you want to configure the proper park mode, you have to keep watching the next videos that I will explain that later. So we are going to park again, and finally we will assign the screens of the cockpit and add a LCD to the script to output everything there. So first we have to go to our programmable block, enter the custom data of the programmable block that is right here. Then watch this variable that is named name tag. You can see here it has by default BT, but you can change this to wherever you want. For example, like this, whatever. And well, I will leave it like this. So I will copy this, then click OK, go to my cockpit, go to LCD panels and identify what screen I'm going to use. In this case, I'm going to use the keyboard. So the ID of these panels are listed from 0 to infinite. For example, this is the screen 0, top center screen. Top right screen is the screen 2 because this is 0, 1, 2, and keyboard is 3. So we go to our custom data, paste our name tag, followed by 2 points, and the number of the screen, that is 3 for the keyboard screen of the cockpit. We click OK, and now it's at here. So we can go to this screen and increase the font size to something readable, and there you go. You can now see everything well. And at last we can add a LCD screen to the ship, and to be readable to the script we have to go to the control panel, go to the LCD and rename it the name tag followed by LCD in uppercase, like that. So you can, for example, you can add BT here and that's it.